Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Chris back here again. We're going to be reviewing the OxiClean Total Wash Foaming Car Wash today. This stuff was a little bit harder to get. I was only able to find it at Napa Auto Parts, I believe. Napa? Yeah, Napa's the only one that had it. Walmart had it, but it was out of stock and they didn't have it in stores, so they wouldn't even ship the stuff out. So yeah, we're gonna see how it does in a 5-gallon bucket and a foam cannon. We're gonna be using a 3600 PSI Simpson gas pressure washer, 2.5 GPM, and a MJJC 2.0 foam cannon. So yeah, let's get to it. Here's a little overview of the car after it's been dried. The soap didn't leave any residue, so it's pretty good. If you do see any like high spots, it's usually I just sprayed some McGuire's Express spray wax on the car. But yeah, definitely a plus from me for OxiClean, which is kind of weird for a company to be making the car wash soap, but I'm glad they did. The scent's amazing, the cleaning power is amazing. I'm gonna be trying it out on my girlfriend's BMW over there.